Here we are, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Say hello, the iPhone. Hello, iPhone. Hello, guys, it's me, Bassman. Great to be back out. It's the week before Christmas. Wonder what's about. So yes, I'm up the estuary, all on my own, and I'm hoping for a nice big conger eel or a nice big bass. So I've got a few live crab. I've got some really fresh cuttlefish. And yeah, I might even put a pop-up rig out I've got a couple of worm left. So yes, we are here. Welcome back. You know what happened here last time, don't you? Right, I've got some gloves ready today, just in case, all right? So yeah, no worries. Yeah, the tide is just flooding in now. It's a big tide. And yeah, it's a lottery, isn't it? You've just got to be in it to win it. So get yourself out over Christmas, guys. Keep believing, keep the faith. Welcome along. Let's go fishing, guys. Right, here we go. So I've got a nice semicircle on there. That's my favorite eeling hook, really. I mean, if only they made them a bit bigger. This is like a 10 or 11.0. Yeah, 150-pound trace, knicker elastic, and some really nice uber fresh cuttlefish from the market this morning. Thank you very much, Mr. Goodacre. Right, here we go. Perfect size. Pop out the cuttle. You missed that, it was so quick, wasn't it? Right, here comes the magic. Out the back. Up and out. And I like to come out through the breathing tube, which is there. Perfect. Right, time for the stringerling. The good thing about this elastic is you can go really tight on it, and you can make everything ooze out of the cuttle. And I'm just going to bunch that head up to the hook to disguise the hook. Look, that's it, all done. So there you go, one sexy cuttle bait with the hook disguised. Right, well here we jolly well go, folks. My money's on that. Yeah, so split tactics today, guys. I've got obviously the red rods out for anything massive. I've got the lighter Blaze MX1 cast right out for anything that's coming up the river. And I've just got a little 2-pound test curve rod down here with a pop-up spinner rig on it with a few rag. It's quite common through the year. Sometimes we'll go, like when we're guiltying and the bass fishing, we'll do mullet at the same time, you know, mix it up a bit. Or if we go down the river in the winter for a conger, we'll take obviously a bait rod as well, and we'll whack that out for a cod or a whiting or a ray. So yeah, I'm kind of like hedging my bets today. I've got one out there, and one down there. Tide's just starting to push now. Been here 40 minutes. I don't need to check the bait, but I'm going to wind in the cuttlefish just to check it. Right, and this is why I use cuttlefish, guys and girls, because that's been out there 40 minutes now, and the crabs have only just managed to take off the tentacles. If that was a squid, or even 2 squid, that'd be gone, nothing left. So that is why I use cuttlefish. So that is going out again. beauty. Well, there you go, as a conger. I was hoping it was going to be much bigger than that. But yeah, unfortunately, I had this phone running over there on a stand, but I was in a hurry, I didn't press play. So we missed all the fight on that rod. But yeah, got the T-bar. Let's get him unhooked. There we go, 1-0 to me on the conger, so I've just put a slightly smaller one on there. Still big. Come on the conger. Right, I have just wound in the light rod and it's just been stripped 3 times now. So I'm not inclined to waste any more crab on it. So I've just put out a big cuttlefish bait on a 150-pound trace and sod the consequences. Nice and peaceful, relaxed. But that can change in an instant. Any minute, guys, any minute. I can feel it. And it's worth noting that the crabs will be out there going like, but they won't be able to get into that cuttle, it's just too tough. So they'll be concentrating around the head, the eyes, the tentacles, and they'll be nipping bits off and creating more juices coming out, more scent for the eels to sniff. And they'll sniff that miles away and they'll come back up and find it. You may have noticed the rods have changed colour. There's a reason for that. It's the next day, I'm back. So welcome along, guys. I am back. I was supposed to be out guiding tonight on the conger somewhere else, but my client had a bit of trouble with the car. Couldn't make it up from Cornwall. So I've got some nice fresh cuttlefish, 2 naggers, 2 fixed ball reels. I want a big conger. There's a classic case of mum and dad sleeping and the kids don't want to sleep. These eels have got a really good trick. They'll bite like a dog on a bone and they won't let go until you've just about pulled them out of the water, and then they realise they're coming up and they have to let go. And they're not even hooked, they're just actually clamped on the bait and they're just saying, no, I'm not, it's mine, I don't want to let it go. And then when they come up to the surface, especially in the dark, when they see the headlight, all of a sudden, poof, they pop off and you think, oh. But in reality, they were never hooked. They were just biting down on the bait. Just waiting for that small bite. A nice slow bite. The good news is I'm not getting plagued by small eels. So that's usually a good sign that there's bigger eels about, because they're obviously on the menu, the smaller eels for the big ones. Whoa. There we go. Come on, where are you? I see him. There he is. Nice conger. Yeah, baby. Wow. Very powerful. It's probably about £8, I reckon. First thing I'm going to do is take off that weight of the missile so he can't use that against me. One step ahead. Yeah, really nice eel that. Not a bad scrap. Here we go, guys. I have got the lip grip. There you go, mate. Go on, you reverse out. Big Wheels is reversing. Yes, the conger. Goodbye, my friend. Staring at these rods through the drizzle. Can feel that little pitter-patter on my jacket. When I was a kid, I don't know about you, but they were like that. They were massive. They were the size of a wagon wheel, not the size of a shopping trolley wheel. Anyway, yeah, old school. The fish sushi, yummy. Yeah, shame Wingman in here. He likes a bit of wasabi. Oh my God. Yeah. Oh. It's not that big. Ooh. Come on. Oh. Whoa. I haven't got my gloves on. Oh no, I forgot. Yeah. It's bigger than the last one. He's bigger than the last one. Hell yeah. Yeah. It's in the weeds. Right. Stay there, my beauty. Ooh. He's not happy. He's not happy. Sorry, mate. I'm gonna have to drag you out of there because you're over £10. This is what it looks like when you're face to face with the big eaglet. It's pretty scary, guys. Really scary. Go on then. Yes. That's more like it. That's a double figure, I would have thought. Right. Yes, I know. Oh look, she's almost got the bait out there. Let's get you up here, mate. Yes, the conger. Here we are. Another beast. Yeah, he'll go £10 easy. I don't know, maybe a bit more. But yeah, not a bad scrap. I can see his mouth's bleeding, unfortunately. Sometimes they do. Obviously there's a big hook in there. Yeah, so the first thing I want to do is get that weight off. Shaking a bit now. Whew. Oh yeah, shaking a bit now. This is how fishing makes me feel, guys. Whew. Genuinely makes me feel this way. All right, just put you down a sec. Get this weight off, because you never know. All right, that's it, it's off. She's acting quite docile at the moment, but one flick of that head and that's you knocked out, potentially. It's almost happened to me before at Devil's Point. Oh yeah, nice width on it, look. Yeah, well bigger than 10 actually. Yeah, nice. Right. Whew. Yes, the conger. Merry Christmas, guys. There she is, look, cracking eel. Well over 10. I'm not going to bother weighing it because she'll just stress out. And yeah, I've finally got the hook out, which wasn't easy. It was in a semicircle, just in the mouth, but yeah, I had real trouble getting that out, the old girl. But yeah, she's out. Yes, thanks very much, guys, for watching. Woo, buzzing now. Yes, the conger. Nice to get a picture, but that's about it. There you go. Here we are. Yes, the conger. Yes, the bassman. So yeah, a bit of a weird light going on here, but yes, thanks very much, guys. I'll take that. Lovely. Nice eel. Yes, the conger. Go on then, mate. Yes. Beautiful. Still down there, I reckon. There she is, she's just going out. Just saw her tail go out. Perfect, guys. Yes. Yes, the sushi. Oh yeah. And the ickle bottle of soy sauce. It's not a bottle, it's a bottle because it's tiny. Little bottle. Wow, just came home to this. Yes, the cheeky girl. Wait till I see her. And the willow.
Surprise! Do you like it?
You nutter. Yeah, how long did that take you to do?
I don't know.
Very wavy. That looks like a bit like do you know what that looks a bit like? The end bit there.
No.
Oh, what was he called on Shipwrecked with that guy? Tom Hanks. Castaway. What was the football called with the football? Yeah, with the Wilson.